Hello everyone. Welcome driving theory test in English part 3. This is question number 1. What do the speed limits established for a road depend on? A. From economic criteria, fundamentally. B. Its layout and the fluidity of traffic. C. Of its layout and the number of curves. Speed limits established by traffic authority shall be set with the objective of ensuring the safety and the educate traffic flow in the vicinity of the same. So answer is B. It's layered in the fluidity. Next question. Highway and dual carriageway in general or in relation to convention roads are just say the same. Let's say almost secure. We know that on highways and dual carriageways we get the separate carriageway for one direction and with more than one lane, so the chances of accidents are less, whereas on conventional route we get only one carriageway for both the directions, so the chances of accidents are more. In this case we can say that highways and dual carriageways are more safer than the conventional. So answer is C, more secure.
Are motorcycles allowed to circulate in an HOV lane? What is the HOV? These are high occupancy lanes,
which are unable to improve traffic flow and limited to motorcycle cars and mixed adapter vehicle QND. The vehicles less than 3.5, you can say 3,500 kilograms, not drive the trailer. So the answer is C. Yes. Motor and passenger cars can use this lane. On dual carriageway, it is allowed to circulate A. 2 pedestrians, B. 2 animal-drawn vehicle, C. 2 bicycle drivers over 14 years of age, on hard shoulder unless prohibited by sign. We know that highway and dual carriageways pedestrian and animal-drawn vehicles are not allowed, but dual carriageways bicycles drivers over years of age, on hard shoulder unless prohibited by sign. So C. Answer is correct answer. On the road, animals must move, A. on the left edge of the road, as a general rule. B. on the right or left of the road. It does matter. C. as close as possible to the right edge of the road.
so answer will be C, as close as possible to the right edge of the road. Is it allowed for passenger car to use section lane reserve for buses delimited by broken line? Number A. Yes, to perform any maneuver other than stopping, parking, changing direction or overtaking. B. So it is always prohibited. C. Yes, but only to change direction to the right. So the answer will be A. Yes. What does this sign indicated? Number A. Land reserved for buses. B. Place reserved for the bus stop. C. Land reserved for buses and trams. So A will be the answer. What does this sign indicate? Number A. Land reserved for buses, bus stop, bus and taxi parking area. So the answer will be the bus stop. When overtaken on conventional roads, which vehicle may exceed generic maximum speed by 20 km? Number A. Passengers cars. B. None. C. Passenger car, motorcycle and motor homes with MAM or less than 3005 km. So the answer will be, can you tell? The answer will be B. None. So this is the question. So we'll see in the next video. I think this is very helpful for the video. So see you the next video. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Bye bye.